guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. Perfect black smoky eyes are like a dream to me. I love black smoky eyes because they suit with any color of outfit. And probably this is the eye look that I've worn mostly, so far. So I'll show you how I do my black smoky eyes. So you can see I did my eyebrows because I don't want you to be bored, and I applied under eye mask because I'm gonna do a black smoky eye, so I want my under eye to look hydrated. Today I'm gonna use my Modern Renaissance palette, which is one of my favorite palette. I think I'm gonna go ahead with burnt orange using my Morphe brush. This is a fluffy brush. I will go a little down here. So my transition shade is done. So I'm going to take my Sigma Farm blender brush E44, take a deeper shade which is red orangey, and put it on my crease to create more depth. So I'm gonna mark the crease area first, then I'm gonna blend the color. And I'm going back to the fluffy brush that I used for my transition shade, and I'm going to take a little bit of product and now this is the most important part of this look. To make the black more intense, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof cream color, so which is actually a gel liner, and I'm going to use this for my base. This is jet black, so this is gonna be really opaque. So I'm taking my little tiny makeup sponge. I'm using this because this is easy to spread all over the lid. Spread on my lid. So I'm applying this gel liner not up to the crease, a little lower than my crease. So I filled up the socket of my eye with the black gel liner, and I'm going to do the same thing for my left eye. So I'm starting from my lash line first, and then I'm going up. I'm trying to mimic my right eye because they should look symmetric. To set my gel liner and to blend the gel liner with my crease and my eyeshadow, I'm using my Nurse eyeshadow duo. This is Pandora, and this black color is so beautiful. This is so dark. And I'm taking my Sigma E25. This is a blending brush. Taking the color and put it on my lid. So first I'm going to set the gel liner, and then I'm going to blend the black color with the crease area. Now I'm going to set my left eye. when you pick up the black color, don't pick up a lot of eyeshadow because then it is really hard to blend. So I'm picking up a little bit of black eyeshadow and then blending. So you can see that when I'm doing the outer part of the black eyeshadow, I'm holding my brush like this because I don't want to put a lot of pressure. Now I'm holding this mirror straight to my face and see where I should go more with the black eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna take off my eye mask. My under eye pad protected my face from black eyeshadow fallout, but still I'm cleaning it up just in case. And I like to cocktail my makeup. I like to cocktail lipstick, I like to cocktail eyeshadow, I like to cocktail my foundation too. For this particular look, I want my under eye to look more bright, so I'm using my Maybelline Neutralizer. My camera turned off, so I applied my black pencil to my lower lash line, and I'm gonna take the shade Red Orchid that I used for my transition shade. For this eye look, I'm gonna use my Lily Lashes in style Chicago, using my lipstick ABH in shade Crush. So this is the final look. What do you think? Let me know in comments below. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!